Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very beautiful and interesting Swatch watch model for you guys. As you can see, in mint condition with the original box and papers. This is the 1997 CHAMPS de ZÜRI and it is reference number GR134. As you can see, the watch is ticking, it is in perfect working condition, and as you can see, it was made for the city of ZÜRI, which is in Switzerland. As you can see, the watch is in perfect condition. We have ZÜRI written right there. We have a few landmarks of the city and of Switzerland, and as you can see, we also have here the writing in German. In der Stadt Zürich gibt es this means that in Zurich there are 386 cows, 11 pigs, and so on. So you have all the animals that were at that moment in Zurich, and as you can see, we have a cow right here at the center. And also, as you can see, we have the original box and papers right here. So something really cool. As you can see, we have the original paper that the watch was bought in 1997. As you can see, it is a limited edition of 7,000 pieces. Also, Hoffmann, the seller that actually sold the watch. And here we have a small map of the city of Zurich, something really cool. So guys, this is a very nice and collectible piece in working condition with all the box and papers. As you can see, also the box says Zurich map inside, so something really cool. The watch is in working condition, and as you can see, it is ticking. It keeps perfect accurate time. It is immaculate, so the watch strap has never been used. This is really cool. A very nice Swatch collectible piece. Now, if you are interested in this particular model or other Swatch watches, make sure to check out the link in the description below to our website vintageradar.com, because we have over 1,000 vintage Swatch watches for sale, guys. Once again, link in the description below. So guys, that was the video that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section below whether you like this particular model, whether you have a different Swatch watch. I would love to hear your thoughts about Swatch, about your particular Swatch watch, the history behind it. So let's open a discussion in the comment section below, guys. Once again, if you enjoy this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.